and in today's video it's all about maintenance and repairs when it comes to your investment property in the Bryan-College Station area. So before I became a property manager, I wanted to learn all aspects of the business. So and maintenance is a huge part of that business. So I decided to work for a small maintenance company while I was in the process of getting my real estate license. And I have to say, it was probably one of the best decisions I've ever made, because there are too many property managers out there that don't know a single thing about any type of maintenance. And so they're just 100% reliant on what their vendor's word. And to me, that's a huge problem. So working with that company taught me the value of what maintenance should cost and how it should be done. So as a result, I've been able to weed through all the vendors in the Bryan-College Station area and find the ones who do the job right and, for the best price, to ensure maximum profitability and a safe home for your tenants. And a happy tenants ensures longevity of them staying. So, and that's always a good thing. Now, maintenance can be broken down to three main categories: wear and tear, preventative, and emergencies. So let's start with wear and tear. It's inevitable, unfortunately, and it's generally something such as nail holes, smudges on walls, or worn down carpet. Now, don't get confused with damaged carpet. It's just worn down from use, like in a high traffic area, such as a hallway or staircase. Generally, wear and tear maintenance doesn't need to be done until after the tenants move out and before new tenants move in. So the second is preventative maintenance. Now, this is going to be the most common type of maintenance, generally caught during a property inspection. It's things like air filters, smoke alarm batteries, minor plumbing leaks, disposal leaks, HVAC functionality, things like this. So now a lot of times, not every time, but a lot of times, preventative maintenance can be considered tenant responsibility, which is exactly why the property inspections report should catch if the tenants are doing that or upholding that responsibility. And if not, it'll be taken care of to prevent the last type of maintenance, which is emergencies. Now, emergencies is the least common, and it should be, because, especially if the preventative maintenance is handled properly. But it should be expected that something might happen, which is so important, why you should have a good property manager to be able to jump on that and handle it quickly. It's so essential. And the reason being, because emergency maintenance is something like a water leak, a busted water heater, or a gas leak. Anything that is potential harm to the tenants or could cause catastrophic damage to your property should be treated as an emergency. And being able, and knowing who to call is also important, because an emergency can happen in the middle of the night. So calling the right vendor is a must. So, hey, if you have any more questions regarding property maintenance in the Bryan-College Station area, or just want to learn more about property management in general, give us a call. See you next time.